Brad Williams, Excel Prime. 2D constants, two-dimensional constants. 2D constants let you create multiple row column combinations. Dynamic array functions like sequence are so much easier than manual writing constant strings. What are we getting at here? Using another Excel function, sequence, in this new 2018 and through today, we can enter sequence 3, 4. And what does that do? Well, why don't we clear this out? We'll enter equals sequence. And what is sequence? It returns a sequence of numbers. We can put 3. And what does this mean? That means 3. That's the number of rows across that we want to go. Columns, optional. If we want 4 columns or 5 columns, we can put 5 or 2 or what have you. We can put 5. And if we wanted to put start number, we can do that. But let me just show you right up front what happens. Well, I put in the wrong number. Sorry, folks. I meant to put 4. And you can see what it does. It just goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the sequence. We have 3 rows by 4 columns. We have 1, 2, 3 rows by 4 columns using the sequence event. We can set up a dynamic array any way we want. What do we mean by dynamic array? We hard-coded the numbers here. What do you mean by hard-coded? I'm going to do this. I'm just going to delete this. I'm just going to capture this so I don't have to type it out. I'm just going to copy, Control-C, hit escape, and then enter it here. I'm going to put a spacebar because I don't want it to calculate yet. Control-V. And we have this formula here. We have the curly brackets. If I hit backspace and hit enter, what happens? Nothing. Excel is not calculating this information. So we need to remove, it's the outside curly brackets, it automatically spills. And if you have an earlier version, we can enter our own information. Now, what happens if we hit Control-Shift-Enter? Nothing, because we're using the latest version of Excel. Here's a legacy showing the exact same thing, and that's with the curly brackets. Again, if you're on an older version, remember to hit Control-Shift-Enter. This is how it works. In the dynamic array, the dynamic is we put in this constant array. The way we control the output, we enter 1, 2, 3, 4, that's row. We break the row by using a semicolon, and then we enter the next row information, semicolon, and what have you. If you wanted to drip down, you can just put a semicolon anywhere you want. The array formula, this is what we used to have to put in. We wouldn't put in the curly brackets. We would just put in equals, and then we hit Control-Shift-Enter. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, thank you.